Spartan and spreadsheets. The self-splitting clip. I have 5 clips which are to be pasted to a spreadsheet. These will be reused, so I don't want to have to paste 5 times every time. To turn them into a single clip, select them and click Combine. For the separator character, choose comma. Then select this option. Choose between paste to cells across or paste to cells down. Then click OK. The new single clip appears on the clipboard here. Pasting it to my spreadsheet. If you need to paste around existing data, edit the clip and type in the additional comma. Now when I paste the clip, to change to a clip which will split down your spreadsheet, edit the clip again, drop down the Format menu and click the first item. Change to Cells Down. Pasting the clip. Clips from CSV files. Clips copied from CSV files can be modified to paste directly into your spreadsheet. Edit the clip, pull down the Format menu and choose Create or Modify Self-Splitting Clip. Choose comma and cells across. When you paste this clip from Spartan, both the line and column spacing are preserved. Copying multiple cells from a spreadsheet to a self-splitting clip. From this spread, I want to copy columns A, C and D and paste them back vertically. From the Copy menu, I select multiple spreadsheet cells to one clip. I create the copy sequence using these buttons. My sequence is C for copy, 2 right chevrons to move right twice, C for copy, another chevron to move right, and a final copy. Starting in column A, this will copy column A, move to column C, copy column C, move to column D, and copy column D. I choose comma, create self-splitting clip, cells down, and click OK. I now have 3 self-splitting clips. Pasting them back. Cherry-picking multiple cells from a spreadsheet into a single Spartan clip. From this spread, I want to copy all the forenames and surnames to paste into Word. I pull down the Copy menu and select multiple Windows clips into one Spartan clip. I select space as the separator and the option to strip leading and trailing spaces. I copy the first forename. It appears in the Spartan collection window. Then the first surname. I click in the collection window and hit Enter to create a new line. I continue to correct the rest of the names. When I'm finished, the new clip appears in the yellow section. I restore Word, bring up Spartan and paste in the clip. That's it.